We'll try a little test here of ESP. I have cards. In a minute, I'm going to ask you to think of one. But you may think I'm trying to influence you as to which one you're going to think of. And I'll tell you right now, I am. See, the ace, it's the highest one of the bunch, so that's probably a likely one that you would pick. But then on the other hand, the queen is the only face card in the group. The lucky 7 is right in the middle. The 4 is the only red card. And then nobody ever picks the last one. That's just the way it is. So I want you to just think of one of these cards. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, which one?
Queen of Spades.
Really? The Queen of Spades. Now, you're not going to believe this, but somehow I had a feeling that that was the one you were going to pick. I had a sense that you wouldn't fall for the ace, right? That's just too obvious. And that you wouldn't fall for the 7, the lucky 7. That's kind of obvious too. Or the only red card. And then, of course, nobody ever picks the 9. But you picked the Queen of Spades, and that was the one I thought you would pick. That's why I made sure it had a different color back on it.
Okay.
Now, I know that went quickly. What would your second choice have been?
7 of Spades.
The 7 of Spades. Now, that's interesting because of these cards, right, the 7 is the only one that has a different color back on it. Now, I don't know what your third and fourth choices are going to be, but it doesn't matter because I had you covered.
Okay, maybe. Wow. What? Okay.